Hello everyone, you are watching RDX Goa's news bulletin with me Sangeeta Hiroji. To begin with, let's take a look at the headlines. Narendra Modi and South Goa candidate Narendra Sawaikar are RSS leaders, Pratima Coutinho. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar expressed strong confidence of winning both the seats. Loading of iron ore on Jindal Varat ship began on Sunday. Around 3,000 tons iron ore loaded on ship. And Gudi Padwa celebrated all over the states. Goan welcomed the Hindu New Year. And now the news in detail. BJP candidate for Prime Ministerial post Narendra Modi and South Goa candidate Narendra Sawaikar are RSS leaders, alleged Congress spokesperson Pratima Coutinho. She further expressed surprise over giving clean sheet to Narendra Sawaikar in Utah agitation. Meanwhile, President of Minority Committee Irfan Mullah said that Movin Gudino should either work for Congress or show open support to BJP. Yashwant Parab reports from Panjim for RDX Goa.
We want to congratulate Bob Francis D'Souza for voicing out. So since he's come out with a statement yesterday saying that minorities, he has endorsed that minorities are feeling that Modi is a threat. You can fool somebody once, but not all the time. Minorities have realized, that they have been fooled on many issues, that they are playing the communal card. आयज तांकां एक बरो चान्स आशिल्लो दाखोवपाक की when minority had supported them for the last elections by giving a representation to the minority, at least one ticket. If you go to see, there is one Narendra Modi they are projecting as the Prime Minister of India, and there is one Narendra Sawaikar whom they are projecting in South Goa. So both are Narendra and both are RSS, and there is one more common thing between both the Narendras. When in Gujarat there were riots which were taken place, everyone in India knows that this Narendra Modi had his hand involved. But then systematically he came out of it and he was given a clean sheet. Same way here in Goa, this Narendra Sawaikar was very much part of Utah agitation which had taken place in Cape. He was very much part of that agitation, supporting those agitators, but then systematically it was manipulated and he got a clean sheet in Goa. I appeal to the CEO to not act like an agent, but just come and see what is going on here and to take action. Parrikar Baban बिचोली वचून पर्टिक्युलर कम्युनिटी मुस्लिम आसा तांचे कडेन वचून ताणें अपील केलें की तुमी आमकां वोट मारा म्हणून, which is violation of code. We are not supposed to go and appeal to any particular community. That all of us we know about it.
मोविन गुदिनो जो आसा ते ओपन येवचे, एक तर येवन काँग्रेसीक आपलो पाठिंबो दिवचो, ना जाल्यार एणे भारतीय जनता पार्टीक ओपनली वचून काम करचें.
BJP will win both the seats in Goa with clear lead, said Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. He expressed strong confidence of winning both the seats in upcoming Lok Sabha polls. Sanjay Manoli reports from Panjim for RDX Goa.
It's quite a pleasantry, but no, I am very happy in Goa. People in Goa elected me as the Chief Minister for 5 years, so I don't intend to leave this post for 5 years.
You have been also always a party loyal, so if the party wants you still.
Suppose if something is required by party would have spoken to me, not a newspaper. Okay. So as far as I am concerned, I have spoken to the party and I am definitely in Goa. You need not worry about it. It is accused by some people. Those people are ignorant of law and position. How do you know that a particular company is a foreign company as long as it deposits money in your account in India in Indian rupees? We take so many donations on an account. How can I verify the anecdote, or how do I verify the link of a person who donates to? So that's not possible. So let it be court has sent it to concerned enforcement directorate. Let them ask question, we will reply to it. I don't think it has any valid point. It's foolishness. We are doing our systematic as per our planning, and it's going perfectly as per planning, and we are very confident of getting a very positive, handsome lead in both the constituencies. If you see in 2009, probably we had only one MLA there. Today Congress has only 2 MLA there. So in Salsette itself. So I will not go into Salsette. Our full concept is full Goa, and we are very confident that we will win both the seats with handsome margin.
Loading of iron ore on Jindal Waras ship began on Sunday at MPT. The boat will leave to China in next 2 days. Around 3,000 tons iron ore has been loaded on the ship. Kiran Borkar reports from Vasco for RDX Goa.
Immediately we started loading, and the loading is going quite smoothly, and sufficient loosened cargo is also available. Transport is a conveyor system. It's not by truck everything. Already we have about 1.97. This particular ship will carry roughly about 70,000 tons of the iron ore, and so far we loaded about roughly about almost 15,000 we have completed. So by evening we will complete another 15,000. So I think most probably another 1.5 days time the ship will go. And the financial return what we are going to do immediately, it's a question of telling everyone that we are commencing the operation, and slowly the income will come. Because totally the Supreme Court has allowed about 11 million tons. 11 million tons is a fairly good quantity. And in fact, we are thinking that we would be able to complete well before this financial year, but there is a bit of delay took place. But however, we will compensate it.
कॉन्ट्रैक्ट जो भी ई-ऑक्शन हुआ है, उसके अंदर में जो भी बिडिंग हम लोगों का ऑनर हुआ है, वो सब माल मटेरियल हम लोग का है. तो ये जहाज फर्स्ट आया है हमारा, और ये 71,300 फाइन्स लेके जाएगा. 71,300 माल लेकर के जाएगा. उसके बाद फिर हम लोग सेकंड जहाज का प्लानिंग करेंगे. बहुत खुशी महसूस हो रही है. जहाँ 2 साल में गोवा का ये कम था, माने इकोनॉमिकल प्रॉब्लम था, पूरा माइनिंग के लोग खाली बैठे हुए थे. अब उनका काम चालू होगा. काम चालू होगा, सब खुशहाली आएगा. जब काम चालू होगा तो गोवा में खुशहाली आएगा. गोवा में खुशहाली आएगा तो हमको खुशी है उस बात का.
Let's take a short commercial break. Keep watching RDX Goa.
सोबीत दिसचें अशें कोणाक दिसना. भांगार सोबीत काय वाडयता. भांगार आनी रुप्या वस्ती खातीर साळकार ज्वेलर्स, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. भांगार म्हारग जाला? घेव नाकात. गोल्ड प्लेटेड कांकणां, पाटली, पिचोडी तोडे घेयात. वैभव ज्वेलर्स, साळकार ज्वेलर्सा सामकार, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. हांगा क्रिस्टल माळो आणि हैदराबादी मोतियाय मेळटा. एकदा येयात आणि धादोशी जायात. साळकार ज्वेलर्स.
चांदण्यात फिरताना
धुंद चांदण्या रात्री, रोमांच रोम अनगात्री, लाघवी तुझे स्मित, छेडती नवे गीत. चंद्रगीत, चंद्रगीत, चंद्रगीत. या माझ्या स्वप्न महाली क्षण रंगले, मन दंगले. जादू तुझ्या स्पर्शाची मी प्रेम रंगी रंगले. उमलली नवी एक प्रीत. चंद्रगीत, चंद्रगीत, चंद्रगीत. आतिथ्य आणि स्मित म्हणजेच हॉटेल चंद्रगीत. आरामदायी प्रशस्त एअर कंडिशन खोल्या, केबल टीव्ही, शॉवरची सोय. मध्यवर्ती ठिकाण पणजी म्हापसा महामार्गावर, पदवरी, गोवा येथे हॉटेल चंद्रगीत.
Welcome back. Gudi Padwa was celebrated at Mapsa Taxi Stand by New Year Committee on Monday. This was the 11th Gudi Padwa celebration of the committee. Dr. Savinay Damle delivered lecture on importance of Hindu festival at this occasion. Gautam Shirorkar reports from Mapsa for RDX Goa.
वर्ष सगळ्यांना सुखा समाधानाचं, आनंदाचं, भरभराटीचं, उत्कर्षाचं आणि आरोग्यमय जावो. वर्षाची सुरुवात आणि या सुरुवातीचा हा मंगल दिवस आणि या मंगल दिवसाची ही सुंदर सकाळ आणि या सकाळीचं स्वागत आपण कडू तीर्थ घेऊन केलं. कशासाठी केलं? उत्तम आरोग्य वर्षभर मिळण्यासाठी केलं. कडुलिंबाचा रस रोज सकाळी जर घेतला तर आरोग्य चांगलं राहतं आणि विशेषतः आजचा दिवस यासाठी अत्यंत शुभ आणि पवित्र मानलेला आहे. पाश्चात्य संस्कृतीनुसार वर्षाचा शेवट कडू पेय करून गेला जातो आणि आमची सुरुवात कडू तीर्थ घेऊन केली जाते. हाच तर मुळातला फरक आहे. सगळ्यांना चांगलं आरोग्य मिळावं यासाठी प्रत्येक सणामध्ये अशी काही योजना प्रसादाची केलेली आहे, नैवेद्याची केलेली आहे की ज्यामुळे त्यांचं आरोग्य खूप चांगलं राहावं. सृष्टीचा हा पहिला दिवस आहे. सृजनाची प्रक्रिया सुरू झालेली आहे. वसंत ऋतूला सुरुवात झालेली आहे. झाडांना नवीन पालवी आलेली आहे. मनाला नवीन बहर येतोय.
GPCC President John Fernandez informed that Congress chief Sonia Gandhi will be arriving in Goa for party's campaign. He further said that there is no need of party senior leader to come down to Goa for campaigning, as the local leaders are doing the campaigning in full enthusiasm. Sanjay Manoli reports from Panjim for RDX Goa.
Proper order. I had been addressing meetings. CLP leader had been addressing meetings. Yesterday we addressed a largely attended meeting at Ponda taxi bus stand, and the response is very good. So campaign is going on in full swing. Of course, the campaign is a coordinated and regulated campaign under the Election Commission norms and guidelines. So campaign is basically a silent campaign. In fact, Rahulji wanted to come on 29. So I had to inform the SPG, that is the Special Protection Group, that 29 is a day for withdrawal of the nomination, last day of withdrawal. So it was coinciding with that date, and therefore that had to be deferred. We are in touch with the High Command, and I am told if not Rahulji, at least Soniaji is expected to come. So we are in touch with them. No, we don't need those senior leaders. We have enough leaders in Goa who can communicate with the people and convey the message to the people, and therefore, as most of the senior leaders in the Congress are themselves standing for election and they are in charge of other states, we found it not necessary to invite them, but the local leadership can communicate and pass the message of the party to the voters in Goa. Those political moves are insignificant to us because Congress is a national party. Congress has been in power for so many years. Those are small ripples created in ocean. It has no effect on the political canvas of state politics. I have discussed, I have conveyed this view and sentiment of the local congressman to Digvijayji, that Valankaji, being the state youth congress president, should be permitted to campaign in Goa, and more so to campaign for the candidate of South Goa, where her father is one of the independent candidates. So Digvijayji will take a decision. We cannot force somebody to get in the campaign. So it is an individual, decision. So nobody is forced in the Congress to do something. And I think if that person doesn't want to campaign openly, it is for that member to decide to do it or not to do it.
Goa desk in charge Smriti Irani alleged that Congress speak about development of common people only when election approach. She was addressing the gathering at Vasco. Power Minister Milind Naik, Shripad Naik and other dignitaries were present at this occasion. Kiran Borkar reports from Vasco for RDX Goa.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी के जितने समर्थक हैं वो सर ऊंचा कर ये कहते हैं कि 272 के इस मिशन में 2 सीट्स गोवा में हम लोग हिस्टोरिकली जीतकर दिल्ली भिजवाएंगे और दिल्ली में कमल का फूल खिलाएंगे। हाल ही में कांग्रेस पार्टी ने अपने मैनिफेस्टो को देश के सामने प्रस्तुत किया और उस मैनिफेस्टो का शीर्षक था योर वॉइस और प्लेज। राहुल गांधी ने इस मैनिफेस्टो को प्रस्तुत करते हुए 3-4 प्रमुख बिंदुओं पर अपनी टिप्पणी की थी। आज भी शायद उत्तर प्रदेश में राहुल गांधी जी ने वो भाषण दिया और गरीबी को मिटाने का एक बार फिर कांग्रेस की तरफ से वचन दिया, लेकिन गांधी परिवार ने कांग्रेस के नेतृत्व में किस प्रकार से देश की दुर्दशा की है, आज इसकी ओर आपका ध्यान आकर्षित करने आई। आपने नोटिस किया होगा कि जब जब चुनाव पास आता है कांग्रेस पार्टी को गरीब की चिंता से तभी होती। 2009 का जब लोकसभा का चुनाव हुआ था तब इस कांग्रेस पार्टी ने संदेश दिया था देश को कि कांग्रेस का हाथ आम आदमी के साथ, लेकिन कांग्रेस पार्टी की असली मंशा थी कि उनका हाथ आम आदमी के साथ नहीं था बल्कि आम आदमी पार्टी के साथ देने के लिए कांग्रेस ने 2009 में ही घोषणा कर दी थी। क्योंकि अगर आम आदमी का साथ कांग्रेस पार्टी देना चाहती, साधारण नागरिक का साथ अगर कांग्रेस पार्टी देना चाहती तो आज हिंदुस्तान में प्राइस राइज नहीं होती, महंगाई आसमान नहीं छूती।
कित्येक वर्षा म्हणजे कोणी उलयतना सांगता प्रत्येक जण अरे ह्या पार्टीने कितें केलें त्या पार्टीने कितें केलें इलेक्शना गेले की प्रत्येक पार्टीचो म्हणजे आपले कितें कितें आतां खरेपण सांगता अशें करतलो तशें करतलो आमी गेल्या उपरांत खूब सगळी आमकां आयकचें पडटा तूं कितें केलां हेणी कितें केलां तेणी कितें केलां। ह्या देशांत इतली वर्सां हो देश चल्ला ह्या देशांत मॅक्झिमम काळात सरकार चलयला तो BJPन न्ही तो काँग्रेसीन चलयला। म्हणजे जर खंय कांय जावना जे तुमी आयज पर्यंत म्हणटा ते ह्या देशांत जावना ते त्या सरकाराक लागून जावना हे पयलीं तुमी लक्षांत दवरा। आनी बायलांचो खबर आसप म्हणजे ते आमकां चड फायदो, कारण बायलां आपल्या बसून ते जेन्ना तांकां कळटा बरे गोश्टी ते उलयता ते खरेंच इफेक्टीव आसता। आयज महिला शक्ती ही खबर देशांत आमच्या देशांत तरी इतली पॉवरफूल जाल्ली आहा महिला शक्ती की महिला ज्या पद्धतीन चिंतले त्या पद्धतीनेच सगळे इलेक्शनाचे चलता म्हाका खबर आहा।
Let's take a short commercial break. Keep watching RDX Goa.
कसलोय समारंभ आसूं वा कसलोय सुवाळो आसूं सगळ्यांची एकूच पसंत संजय फॅशन सेंटर। रेडीमेड सूट, शेरवानी, कुर्तास आणि लग्न सोहळ्याचे कपडे तुमच्या गरजेप्रमाण आम्ही ऑर्डर घेतात। संजय फैशन सेंटर, सिंडिकेट बैंक के लगे बेती।
सलोनी लेडीज वेयर, a new extension store of Sanjay Fashion Center, specialist in kurtis, jeans, dress material and innerwear. Next to Police Outpost, Betim, Bardes, Goa. Contact 777-3927-152.
Mallikarjun Caterers. We accept soft drinks, ice creams, veg and non-veg buffet orders for weddings, birthdays and other occasions. We also undertake pandal and stage decorations with lightings. Contact Anand Bandekar, Pansulem, Concon, Goa. Phone number 3130-178, 9823-524014 or 9405166141. Mallikarjun Caterer.
Welcome back. Candidate of Samajwadi Janata Party Raju D'Souza said that Congress and BJP have been fooling people throughout these years. He said that Shripad Naik has been only laying foundation stone in past 15 years. Mr. D'Souza declared his manifesto on Monday. Sanjay Manoli reports from Panjim for RDX Goa.
समाज जनता पार्टी राष्ट्रीय प्रेसिडेंट आसा आनी नॉर्थ गोवाचो कॅन्डिडेट म्हणून मिस्टर राजू डिसोजा म्हणून उबे रावले आसा। हांव तुमचे कडेन मागता ह्या गोंयकार कडेन कितें कितें अन्याय जातले केन्नासून स्टार्ट जाला आज 25-30 वर्सां जाले आमच्या गोंयांत खुबशे अन्याय जाता म्हणजे फक्त पार्टी वो पार्टी तो पार्टी काँग्रेस जावं या BJP जावं फक्त हे देशाक फक्त तेंच्यांनी फक्त आपल्या पार्टीचे नांवां घेवन लोकांची लुटून भायर सरलेले पार्टी आसा। आज हे समाजाक लागून आमचो महात्मा गांधी आणि जयप्रकाश नारायण चंद्रशेखर हे कमाल मोरकर हे देशाक लागून खुबशे फायट केले आहा खुबशे फायट करून देशाक लागून खुबशे काम केले आहा। आज यांची नांवां ना आज यांची आज अशें चल्ला काँग्रेस आनी BJP दे आर इन ओनली डिवायड करता पब्लिकाक बाबा मायंड चेंज करता तुमी अशें करता तशें करता आमी हे स्किमी करता ते स्किमी करता हे लोकांक लुटून येयले पार्टी हे लोकांची कांय करूंक येवना हे फक्त लोकांची लुटून वयर सरून लोकांच्या खातीर कांयच काम करून आज तुमकां नॉर्थ पयले आसतले कितलेच वर्सां जाले आज तुमची 25-30 वर्सां जाले सिटींग MP येता 15 वर्सां जाले एक काम कसलेंच काम जावना फक्त तेंच्यांनी फातर लायले ग्रॅनायटाच्या नावा घातले. आज एक प्रोजेक्ट येवना, कसलेच प्रोजेक्ट ना. आज MP फंड येतले, MP फंड ऑल पीपलार मेळपाक फंड ते एकट्याक लागून ही फंड. आज अशें दिसता आमचे गोंयची अशें जाले प्रॉब्लम तुमकां खबर आसतलें सांगपाक नाका. सगळे आश्वासन दिता फक्त आमी हे करतले ते करतले. हेजे फुडेन बसून कोण येयले हे दोगूय जाण मेळूनच चोरपाचे लुटपाकूच येयले आहा. फक्त देशाक लागून लुटता आनी स्टेटीक लागून लुटता. आज स्टेटीक लागून हांव उबें जाल्ला तुमच्या गोंयकारांक लागून आनी तुमचे सगळे गोंयचे कितें आहा नॉर्थ गोवा हांव क्लीन करतलो. कित्याक म्हणून भायर सरलो हांव. फाटल्या इलेक्शन हांवें 5 सीट बसयलो नॉर्थ गोवा म्हणल्यार आमकां कोणीच इतले सपोर्ट दिवना. कित्याक आयज पयशेचेर चलता तुमकां खबर आसा. पयशेन कितेंय जाता म्हणल्यार आयज हांव म्हणटा गोंयकारा कडेन मागता पयशे पळयनाका आनी पार्टी पळयनाका. कॅन्डिडेट पळया आनी समाजाक वावुरपी आनी समाजाक लागून काम करपी ताका तुमी पळोवन फुडें सरची आनी ताका जाता इतल्या मतान तुमी निवडून हाडटले म्हणून गोंयकार म्हाका गॅरंटी आसा.
People fed up with BJP will definitely vote for Congress, said Babu Asgaonkar. He was speaking during the election campaign in Pennem constituency. North Goa candidate Ravi Naik was present at this occasion. Vinod Mehta reports from Pennem for RDX Goa.
परिवर्तन घडले आणि ज्या परिवर्तनान भाजपाचे सरकार येयले आणि ज्या मुद्द्याचेर हे सरकार येयले हे 4 मुद्दे असलेले. एक रिजनल प्लॅन, एक भाषा माध्यम, तुझे करप्शन आणि मायनिंग या 4 त्यावर कॅसिनो आसलेलो. या 4 मुद्द्याचेर 5 मुद्द्याचेर हे गोंयभर भोवले रान उठयले तेंच्यांनी आणि हे सरकार येयले. या सरकाराक आता 2 वर्सां कंप्लीट जाली. 2 वर्सां जाली. फक्त 11 रुपया पेट्रोल देवयले वेटाचेर पण 11 रुपया हॉटेल देवयले आणि 400-500 रुपया हॉटेल चडयले. लायटीचे बिल, उदकाचे बिल, स्टॅम्प ड्युटी.
रवी 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 म्हणून सगळीकडे आज वारें आसलें आनी लोकांक चेंज जाय. हे जे परिवर्तन म्हणून जे हेणें जे हे केल्लें BJP आनी आमची नाका जाल्ली नाव पेडर केल्लें हे लोकांक कळून चुकला की हे परिवर्तनान कितलो धोको जाला तो. म्हारगाय वाडली, सगळी कितें वाडलेलें आनी आज वारें जाल्लें आसा की परत काँग्रेस जाय आनी रवी हो नवो उमेदवार सारको आनी बरें काम करतलो हेचे बद्दल दुबाव ना. तेजे खातीर हो पेडण्यां झुंजार आमचे रेली आज दौरो आज चालू जाल्लो आसा. लोक सगळे उमेदीन आसा आनी दोनूय सीट गोंयांत हे काँग्रेसची येता तेजे बद्दल दुबाव.
शिक्षण फुडार पळय हें आमचें ध्येय आसा. म्हण ताका लागून आमी आयज तुमचे कडेन मागपा आयल्या हें मत किमती मत आनी हें मता लागून आयज तुमच्या दारांक आमी पावतात. लक्षांत दवरात हें मत जें दिलां तेन्ना बाबासाहेब आंबेडकरान जी घटना बरयली ते घटनेनुसार हें आयज मताचो आमकां अधिकार हें काँग्रेसीन दिल्लें आसा. नाल्यार कोणाक किंमत नासपा नाशिल्ली. जर मताचो जर हें नाशिल्लें कोणाक किंमत आसपा नाशिल्ली पण पंचायतीक बसून एक मत मागपाक भोंवचें पडटा. म्युनिसिपालिटी किंवा आमदाराक हें सगळें करचें म्हणून आमी सगळ्यांनी जे आसा जे विचार करपाक जाय.
Before we wind up, here is the quick recap of the headlines. Narendra Modi and South Goa candidate Narendra Savaikar are RSS leaders, Pratima Coutinho. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar expressed strong confidence of winning both the seats. Loading of iron ore on Jindal Varat ship began on Sunday. Around 3,000 tons iron ore loaded on ship. And Gudi Padwa celebrated all over the states. Goan welcomed the Hindu New Year. This news bulletin ends here. To follow the recent news and activities, keep watching RDX Goa. You can also watch the news on www.rdxgoa.com as well as on YouTube. You can also follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Goodbye.